All right, people, this is 7-10 math message. This is not in your journal pages, so grab out a separate sheet of paper and we're going to draw our fraction circles today. All right, it says use your fraction circles to solve the problem. Remember, we are just going to draw these on a separate piece of paper. Okay, it says Lucas eats 5/6 of a round quesadilla. Mora eats 7/8 of a round quesadilla. That is the same size. That's key, the same size, so they are equal. Who has the larger leftover pieces of quesadilla? Great question. So we know our whole is a round quesadilla. So this is a whole for Lucas and this is a whole for Mora. Right now, I want you to draw your circle and write 5/6 over this whole and write 7/8 over this whole. Okay, it's asking, let's read what we want to find out now. Who has the larger leftover piece of quesadilla? We're going to need to split this whole into how many equal parts? Well, look at the denominator. We need to draw this into sixths and shade in 5 pieces. We need to draw this whole into eighths and shade in 7 pieces because the top number represents how many they ate. And then we're trying to figure out who has the larger piece that's left over. So go ahead, draw this, shade them in, and see if Lucas has the larger piece left over or Mora. Okay, go ahead. Remember, put me on pause. All right, if you are back, that means you have decided if Laura or Lucas or Mara has the bigger size left over. Well, why is this not moving? Oops, gotta be in my tools. There we go. Okay, moving my whole. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So you should have split this one into pieces like this. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. If I know this top half is a 4, I add another 4 in the bottom, and that gets me 8. Okay. But we need to break these apart because Lucas only ate 5 out of 6, and Mora only ate 7 out of 8. So who has the larger piece left over? Well, this is the piece left over, and this is the piece left over. If I put these on top of each other, look at that. Who has the larger piece that's left over? I can see the light blue peeking in, so Lucas. Lucas has the larger piece left over. 1/6 is larger than 1/8. Awesome. It's great to know what so why is it so important to know what the whole is in this problem? Well, we need to know their circles because we know they're equal. Otherwise, we wouldn't have been able to compare them. Great job. Meet me in Math Journal, page 243.